If you want to be rich, the most important thing isn't how much you make, it's how well you manage what you already have. Before you hit 30, there are certain money skills you must master because if you don't, life will teach you the hard way. Let's break down 20 essential money skills that separate the broke from the wealthy. 1. Investing in yourself. 88% of millionaires invest in themselves. Because the best investment you can make is in yourself. You invest in yourself by taking courses, reading books, listening to podcasts, exercising, and joining a community. 2. Surrounding yourself with winners. If you want to be the best, then you have to surround yourself with the best. Create a tight circle of high quality friends and mentors. 3. Growing your network. If you want to get rich, start building relationships with lawyers, bankers, investors, accountants, wealth advisors, and business owners. Your network is your net worth. 4. Budgeting like a pro. Budgets help you figure out where your money is going. To create a budget, track every cent, how you made it, how you spend it. Then categorize your spending as needs, wants, and wishes. Spend on your needs and save. Invest the rest. 5. Pay yourself first. The rich don't save what's left, they save before they spend. Even if it's 10%, make it automatic. Your future self will thank you. 6. Controlling your spending. Society tells you to spend, show off, and consume. Instead, you should pay off credit card debt, build up an emergency fund, and invest in appreciating assets. Don't go broke trying to look rich. 7. Increase your income. Increase your income by negotiating a raise, starting a side hustle, switching to a new job, building an online business, and learning a high income skill. Life gets easier when you make more money. 8. Building an emergency fund. 63% of Americans cannot afford a $500 emergency. That means the average American would have to resort to high interest credit card debt to pay for surprise expenses. Do your future self a favor and save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. 9. Automating your money. 92% of millionaires automate their money. Automation helps you build wealth on autopilot. You can automate your savings, your investments, and your bill payments. Work smarter, not harder. 10. Understanding taxes. You don't need to be an accountant, but know how taxes affect your paycheck, investments, and side hustles. Rich people don't avoid taxes illegally. They play the game smarter because they understand the rules. 11. Managing credit wisely. Credit cards aren't evil. Ignorance is. Learn how credit works. Always pay on time, keep your utilization low, and build a strong credit score. It'll save you thousands later. 12. Investing early. The earlier you start investing, the less you'll need later. Even small amounts grow massively through compound interest. Time in the market beats timing the market. 13. Building digital income skills. The world is digital now. Learn online skills like marketing, writing, design, or coding. It's not just about working hard anymore. It's about being valuable in a digital economy. 14. Controlling lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's easy to upgrade everything. Your phone, your clothes, your rent. But if your expenses rise as fast as your income, you'll stay broke at every level. Learn to live below your means. 15. Starting a side hustle. Building a successful side hustle will take hard work, dedication, and long nights, but the reward will be fulfillment, freedom, and time. 16. Jumping at opportunities. Never let an opportunity pass you by. Don't be afraid to take a new job, start a new business, or negotiate for a higher pay. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. 17. Building on your strengths. Everyone has strengths. Writing, managing, or mathematics. Build on your strengths and create a career out of it. That's how you'll make money. 18. Adopting healthy financial habits. It takes about 66 days for a new behavior to become an automatic habit. Stick to a productive daily healthy financial habits. When you build healthy financial habits, you will struggle less in life. 19. Negotiating everything. From salaries to rent to bills, everything is negotiable. The ability to negotiate can literally add thousands to your income every year. Closed mouths don't get fed. 20. Choosing your partner carefully. 86% of millionaires are married and 65% are still in their first marriage. Find someone who is frugal, mindful about money, and aligned with your financial goals. Find someone with a winning financial mindset. So by 30, you don't need to have millions, but you do need the right habits. Because once you master these 20 money skills, wealth stops being a dream and starts becoming a formula. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe because your 30s should be the decade where your money finally starts working for you.